Alam po yung sinabi niya, yung daw computer ibinigay sa ano. So wala nang mababalidate dito. Turuan na sila ng turuan. Di ba dapat? Kaya lang hindi naman ako ang chairman. So with due respect to the chairman, dapat bigyan natin siya ng latitude.
Marami sanang dapat i-pursue, di ba, yung tungkol sa Cabral files nga ni Congressman Lian. Sana na-pursue na rin na i-require yung DPWH kung public record rin lang, edi ibigay na sa atin yung authenticated copy para wala nang pagdidiskitahan kung yung kopya ni Congressman Lian o yung kopya na sinasabing meron yung bilyonaryo at yung iba pang media at yung nabanggit na rin ni Chairman Lacson.
Dapat ay dito makikita yung vigilance ninyo. Kasi kung hindi nyo napansin, bigla nilang sinabi in relation to the Cabral files, kasi we're talking about how are you going to authenticate or to validate the Cabral files. Tinatanong ko sa kanila, is it a private file or a public file? Is it a public document or a private document? Di sila kagad mga sagot. Bakit ko po tinanong yun? Kasi under the rules of electronic evidence, kasi yung Cabral files is an electronic document. It is the rules promulgated by the Supreme Court in 2017. It talks only about private document. Sinabi ng DPWH, this is a public document. So sabi ko, how do you validate that? How do you authenticate that? Alam niyo sinabi niya? Tinuro ang ombudsman. Turuan na eh. Sabi ko, ba't yung kakailangan?
Oo.
Hindi naman mandate ng ombudsman silang kinakailangan daw ma-forensic. The law does not require a forensic study on this. Alam niyo kung ano sinasabi sa best evidence rule under the Rule 4 of these new rules on electronic evidence? The best evidence, ikumpara mo lang yung, yung hard copy,
and the
doon
soft
sa
copy.
Electronic. Tapos na. It can be considered, it will be equivalent to the best evidence rule. Parang legitimate and original document na siya. Alam po yung sinabi niya, yung daw computer ibinigay sa ano. So wala nang mababalidate dito. Turuan na sila ng turuan. Ibig sabihin niya, binigay sa ombudsman, so it's up to ombudsman kung the ombudsman will start saying, we have validated this. So kung hindi ibabalidate na to, let's forget all about this. Ganun ba yun? The Cabral files is an extensive files. Kaya lang, sabi ko, I have to caution the committee. Congressman Lebiste is not competent to testify on the contents and entries of these files. This is legal. Hindi pwede ka kung siya, kasi hindi man siyang gumawa nito eh, humingi lang siya. Ang pwede rin niyang is-testify the manner on how he accessed these files, how he obtained these files. So, ngayon po, napupunta tayo dun sa parang bitin na bitin eh. Parang walang gustong umusad eh. I can feel that. Just my personal opinion.